What's going on there, folks? Looks like we got a new 3/8 impact wrench coming soon to the Ryobi One Plus platform. It's a 3/8 impact wrench. The P263. So we had the P260, first generation. I think it did 200 foot-pounds. Great impact. I still have it. Then there was the 261. That's the newer half-inch with the 3 speeds. Now this one has 3 speeds also. I thought it did. Wait, doesn't look like it there. Oh, it must be on the bottom. Let me see. See, doesn't it say 3 speed right here? No, right there. I want to go. It says 3 speed up top there. Oh, it probably is like the way the impact driver is, which is it's in the back. So let's see. Yeah, here's the 260. Here's the I thought it was the 261 it was called. But let's take a look. It's going to have that tri-beam LED light, which is, some people like them, some people don't. Not a game changer either way. Yeah, here's the picture. All right, so the speed's in the back. I actually like that in the back, to be honest with you. To each his own. But I actually do like it on the impact driver. But yeah, you got the tri-beam LED, 150 foot-pounds, 3,400 impacts per minute. Pretty darn good for a 3/8 impact wrench. And you get a belt clip too. 3,400 RPM, 3,200. Speed 1 is 1,700 RPM. Speed 2, 2,500. Speed 3, 3,200. Got the grip zone. Oh yeah, got to get that grip. I don't know. This should be coming out pretty soon since it's on their website. And I'll put the link below too. 2.6 pounds, so pretty light. Includes no reviews. I don't know if it comes as a bare tool or if it comes in a kit. Might come in both, but I think I'm probably going to start out just being a bare tool. But we'll have to see. I'm not really sure. Oh, here we go. This this could be paired with any. Now we know that. So yeah, real quick video. Yeah. So Ryobi 3/8 inch brushed. That's another thing. This is not brushless. It's brushed. So it's a brushed impact wrench. Should be hitting the market pretty soon. The P263 impact wrench from Ryobi. We'll see what happens with it when she comes out, people. Peace.